This video will show you how to remove the stock taillights on all 2008 through 2023 Challengers.
All right, first step for the uninstall of our factory taillights, we're gonna start with our center bar here. Pop your trunk. We have 4 twist off knobs that we have next to our trunk liner we have to get off, and then 2 bump stops in the middle. All right, these you can just do by hand. You don't need any tool for, so I'm just gonna twist these guys straight off. And I'm just gonna set them inside of our trunk for safekeeping. All right, for these bump stops, grab a panel removal tool. You're gonna peel up, pull up on the middle, just like that, and then go up underneath of it and pull that out in one piece. All right, do the same thing for both. All right, now if you look at the corner here, your Challenger may have a little black plastic trim here that you need to remove. Ours does not, but if yours does, grab a panel removal tool and just pop that guy off to expose this torque screw underneath. You have a Phillips head for reference here. Go right on the inside, right on the colored panel there, and you should be able to see that. Grab a T20 Torx bit. I'm gonna use an impact gun, but a ratchet works as well, and just get that off. You just wanna safely bring that down. All right, repeat on the other side. Now we can firmly pull off the center section. You'll wanna lift up on both sides, just like that. Pull that straight up. Now there is still one wire harness right here that we need to pinch and disconnect. So what you'll do is just pinch that, disconnect it, set the center section aside. All right, so now we can focus on the taillight section instead of the center. Now on the outside here, you have one plastic panel you gotta pull off. So you're just gonna pull firmly off of that. There's just 2 metal clips on the inside. We're gonna set that aside. Now we can focus on the inside of that. All right, so on the inside, we have another one of those little twist knobs we can do by hand. So let's get that guy off. Now we can peel back that carpeting. All right, so underneath of that carpet liner, we have another one of those twist tabs. So we're gonna twist that off as well. And then right past that is our taillight harness. So just pinch and disconnect. All right, just like that. There is a red locking tab here that you can push off to the side. All right, so on the outside, pull that back. It's free. Repeat on the other side.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Challenger, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.